of course, it's a wake-up call for us to really push for alternative sources of energy na hindi na tayo dapat magiging dependent sa petroleum. Ongoing yan, di ba? Whether it is solar, geothermal, meron tayong natural gas na nagpapump in na galing sa Malampaya, may additional pa dyan. But we need to be able to fast-track itong mga alternative sources of energy na ito kasi this is how we're able to thrive or survive this, no? And then pangalawa is really the creation of a petroleum reserve policy, di ba? So, kailangan din natin ng mag-imbak. May sarili ang gobyerno na para may pamamaraan para una, nasisigurado natin ang supply. And then pangalawa is yung supply na nakuha natin ay nabibili natin ng mura at naitatabi natin yan in case of any emergency. So really the direction is towards there. Is that how do you make the economy more resilient and part of that really is this is now our chance to really push for alternative source of energy, renewable, mga ganyan. Yan ang